Short video, but a good question. They say we come from apes, descendant of apes, right?
Right.
And why is that?
I don't know.
Because they can walk on two legs, in which the majority of the time they don't. They walk on all fours, right?
Right.
And because they have so-called hands and can open a banana and shit like that, right?
Right.
But they feet also act like hands also.
Right.
So they got 4 fucking hands and we don't. So how can we be a descendant of them?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Right.
But what can we be a descendant of that nobody talks about?
White people.
Uh-uh. Parrots. They can actually talk.
Okay.
Polly want a cracker. They actually have vocal cords like humans.
Right.
Whatever you teach that parrot to say, it can actually talk.
Right.
You can put a puzzle up in front of a parrot, and it can actually think and figure it out and solve that fucking puzzle.
Okay.
So really, we may be descendants of a fucking bird. Don't they say we came from heaven?
Yeah.
Adam and Eve, we came from heaven.
Right.
Birds fly high. When we die, we're gonna have fucking wings like a fucking bird. But don't nobody ever wanna say no shit like that.
Right.
When we die, we basically gonna turn into a big ass bird. Right or wrong.
Right.
But down here, we descended of a fucking ape. But when we leave, we're gonna mimic a fucking bird that can talk,
Right.
that can think. Something to think about.
It is.
So to all of you ignorant ass, stupid ass people who don't think, you're the problem. You're telling us bullshit that you want us to believe, and we're dumb enough to believe it. Everything about a parrot is going to be damn near the exact as we are. We die, we're going to get wings. They speak, we speak. They think, we think.
Right.
But if you compare us to an ape, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, it's not our language.
No.
We can actually fucking verbalize shit.
Right.
Now, who's the smart one? The dumbass who said we come from apes? Or the guy who thought about it and said we come from something other than, which makes more sense than a fucking ape? Anyway, I am Mr. Bluntology, and I know y'all don't think your brain doesn't shut down, and it's all good. You got me to wake your stupid ass up. Anyway, peace, and I'm out.